Hi, this is Michael from KidSafe, and this is the Safe and Shut Dishwasher Locking Strap. It's a baby-proofing device used to safeguard your dishwasher. The dishwasher is full of safety hazards such as breakable glasses, sharp knives, and caustic soap. So with this simple strap, you can keep a child away from those dangers. It attaches to the front of the dishwasher with adhesive tape, and you can apply it to your countertop or to the adjacent cabinet, whichever works best for you. Be sure to clean the surfaces where you're going to apply it first with rubbing alcohol or some cleaner to make sure it's free of dirt and oils. You then just peel off the adhesive liner, position it where it will fit best for you. Apply pressure, stick it to your countertop, and now a child cannot get into the dishwasher. To open it for adult use, you simply press the child-proof latch and slide upwards, and you can get into the dishwasher. And just simply snap it back to put it back into place.